Skymee Petalk AI dog camera. It's a camera linked by 2.4G Wi-Fi from your Skymee to the app on your mobile or tablet. Featuring full 1080p HD video, Skymee captures a gorgeous 120-degree visual arc in day and night infrared with a 4x zoom. And two-way audio allows you to hear your dog, talk to your dog, and record personal messages for your dog. Skymee also has motion detection and will notify you on the app. And you can take photos or videos with Skymee to share. Skymee Petalk has 3 different door sizes for different size treats, retails for less than the competition, and can be used as an effective home security monitoring and recording device. So whether you're across town, or need a diversion, or you just miss your precious fur baby's face, Skymee helps keep you connected to your pet's whereabouts and activities, almost as if you were right there together. My, what a good boy you are, and my, what a watchful eye Skymee Petalk AI dog camera is. The better to treat you with.